Great. Ella! Ella! You like your crate? See, that's a little baby crate that they gave me. Yeah. I certainly like the shredded paper. Ella! Ella! Hey! Ella! Ella! Where are you going? This is her exploring. Her first day home. Where are you going? Who is that? Who is that? That's Ella in the mirror. Oh. It's Ella in the mirror. Who is that? Who's that? That's Ella! Oh my goodness! Well, you can't get her because it's you. No. N-O, we are not chewing on that. Nope. Nope. We don't even think about that. No. Yeah, see, it's all fun and games till we start chewing up the expensive mirror. Yeah, I don't really think that I like you going back there.